guys, time check. It's 11:35. And look at these people over here at Travi Fountain. Travi Fountain. So if you come here late, you don't have to pay €1. But if you come in here in the morning, the line starts over there. The line starts over there and you go around and you have to pay €1. Travi Fountain. A lot of people. A lot of people. Right there. Including us. Okay, we're gonna sleep.